Do you feel the vibes? What is the march coming back one of the days? Oh shit. I'm gonna do fidget spinner trick shots, but let me charge my camera and I'll be back with you. Hey.
No, just put the airplane.
Okay guys, I'm back and right now we're gonna do what the fuck? That's why I missed my tripod. So, you know fidget spinners. They're all around the world now. I think so. I don't know. I'm just saying. Well, they're all around Mount Vernon here, and I got one at Gramerton with my friends. So shout out to Miranda and Desmond if you're watching this vlog of the vlog. Okay, alright, so I got this blue fidget spinner. I almost got the one that cost $20. I'm like, damn bitch, what the fuck? But yeah. So let's do this, bro. So but right now, you know, fidget spinner trick shot. So I'm doing one. Alright, so you know, this is one right here. Trick shot. If you can't do this, then you're retarded. Well, this is for like people, I don't know, like people that are like Twitch too much, I think, or something like that. I don't know what these are for, but some people use it for fun. So that's what I'm doing right now for fun. Alright, so you know, hand to hand, please, 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 please. Fuck. This is the way I did. I was like this, and then so we're gonna where can I put this right here? Cause I don't have my tripod. So you know this. So we're gonna see if we can go hand to hand, and if I can do that, then we're gonna do it. So let's do it. I need it to land on the middle part where it spins. Well, cause this doesn't spin. Without this in the middle, it won't spin. So the only reason it spins is because the thing in the middle. This is why it spins, bro. So hand to hand, 1, 2, 3. Shit. Oh, got him. First try. Another partner. Another one. Hey, alright, so right now we're gonna get it high up in the air and let's see if we can catch it while it's still spinning. Darn it. Oh, almost. I need a cameraman or camera girl. Who wants to be my cameraman? Alexa, I want to be my cameraman. No, that's a girl. Okay. No cameraman for today. But we did a nice little shot from right here. Okay, so oh shit, what the fuck? Oh shit, what the fuck? Alright, so come on. Do it for the video. Come on, for the video. Fuck. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Alright, still intact. Fuck this shit. Alright. Alright. Another angle right there. Ooh, oh shit. Oh, almost. I'll be right back with another trick shot because I don't know why the fuck is not working. So yeah, let's go back. Back to you, everybody. Well, back to you, Future Emiliano, because you know Future Emiliano's gonna be nice, bro. Alright guys, this trick shot, next trick shot, I call it the door to hand trick shot. So let's see if we can do it. Ready? Set. Oh, what the fuck? Ready? Set. Go. Oh! Whoa, man. I'm that good. Hey, I'm that good. So this next one, I call up, forgot. To infinity and beyond. That's what I call it. Ready, set, go. Ah, shit. Ah, shit. I got it, though. So, I just hurt myself. Shit. This next one, I call it. This next one, I call, what the fuck is this in the way? This one I call the roll. Oh, never mind, I don't call it the roll. This next trick shot though, I call here I call football. I call it football. Let's see if I can do the football. Let me stop. But that wasn't the trick shot though. This next trick shot, you have to go up here in the living room.
Frontline Gold,
so,
the latest innovation
next trick shot.
Frontline Plus. For persistent protection you can trust.
So, watch this.
Go for the gold. Frontline Gold.
Next trick shot.
Your bet.
Let's go.
The wall.
We're not coming out.
I got this.
The wall to him. Ready?
I know being a first-time homeowner is scary, but you don't have to do this.
The tree falls on our garage.
What if a tornado rips off our roof? You're covered, and you bundled your home and auto insurance, so you're safe. You're safe now. Can you stop using the bullhorn? That'll make it.
Bro, I was like, we hit the wall and it came back. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. So this next one involves me going in the kitchen. I don't know. Alright, so next trick shot. Got you. So, next trick shot. Open your thingy-majiggy. I don't know what this is called. What is this called?
Microondas.
Microwave. No wait, is it called microwave? Yeah, microwave. I'm so smart. Watch this. Next trick shot. Ready? It's gonna fall, and I'm gonna catch it with magic. Ready? Set. Go. Bro, it just fell. Magic, bro. I'm the bomb, bro. That's my bud. Alright, next trick shot. Watch this. This involves going out. Wait, what? You want me in the video, mommy?
No, quita esa verga.
Oh! Alright. Hey. Okay. Next trick shot involves going outside. Excuse me.
Emiliano, no hagáis eso.
Excuse me, ma'am. I don't know who you are. Alright. Next trick shot. Oh, shit. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna throw it over there and watch it be outside. Oh my god. Ready? Wait. And boom, got him. Threw it over there. I'm that good, boy. I'm that good. Trick shots, bro. Never mess with my trick shots. Next one. We're outdoors, so I might break the fidget spinner. But you know, I'm a fucking savage. I have another one. Well, that's my sister, so yeah. So, maybe. Should I do it in the corner? Okay, so next trick shot. Let's go. I'm just gonna throw it up in the air, and we're gonna be back in my house. Ready? Watch this. Let me spin it real quick. I need my other hand free, but I can't because I have the camera and then I have the fidget spinner. So, all right, next trick shot. Ready, set, and sure. It's like a match. Ready, set. Oh, wait. Ready. Shit. Okay, next trick shot. I don't know. I'm making a video. I'm sorry.
You have keys?
Yeah, I have keys.
Te vas a machucar ahí. Oh my god, this kid. Síguele, Kevin. Te voy a pegar, ¿ok? Le voy a pegar. Cálmate. Thank you,
Okay. Next trick shot. Ready? Throw it up in the air. Boom. Hey, that's my boy. I think you just saw the last shot. But yeah, got him, bro. So yeah, that's all the trick shots I got for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Slam a like on it, you know. Let's see if we can get to, let's see, 10 or 20 plus likes. 10 or 20 plus likes. Hope you guys enjoyed. Keep aiming your video. Don't forget yesterday's down to master. Oh, but today, oh my god. Watch from the heart. I love you guys. Be yourself. Don't let no one tell you who you're gonna be. Peace.
I'm drowning.